This is DarkSwarm, our new project. A half year ago I started a new game company with one of my old buddies. This video shows the result of 6 months of hard work. We started our company in 2023 and currently we are only working on DarkSwarm, a top-down alien shooter. DarkSwarm supports 1 to 4 players and can be played both online and as local co-op. But more on that later in the video. As some of you may know, I've been working with all aspects of game development for over 20 years. Back in the days I primarily worked with Macromedia Flash, then later switched over to Unity. For DarkSwarm we are using Unreal Engine 5, so it's been quite a learning experience for me as I had to learn Blueprint and also brush up on my C++ skills. So to get a demo up and running quickly, we started by using some pre-built templates from the Unreal Marketplace. We used Top-Down Kit Shooter and Advanced Locomotion System, also called ALS. With these two systems we were able to quickly create something visually that we could present. On the business side we are fortunate enough to be signed by Ghost Ship Publishing, the developers behind Deep Rock Galactic. Yoo-hoo! Ghost Ship wanted to make a major announcement, so we were supposed to have a demo video ready by March 1st. The problem was, at that point, we didn't really have any gameplay we could showcase. Necessity teaches the naked woman to spin, as they say. We quickly put together some elements for a small mission, at least to make it look like we had a demo game. It was pure fake it till you make it. At that time, hardly anything in the game was functional, and we were having major issues maintaining a decent frame rate, having added too many unoptimized assets and effects to the game too quickly. Coding bugs were all over the place, but that was easily fixed as we simply cut them out of the video. Finally, we managed to put together a decent video and we were ready for the announcement day. To our surprise, it was a relatively big hit. The video has been viewed over 400,000 times and as of speaking, over 29,000 people have wishlist DarkSwarm on Steam. In April, we hired our first employees for our company and we've gone from being a 2-man team to a solid 7-man development squad. We anticipate growing to 9 employees over the summer, and it's good to be a team when you have a lot of bugs to fix. DarkSwarm takes place in a dystopian sci-fi universe where strange creatures mysteriously appear. You and your friends will be a badass team sent into space to clean up. You can choose to play either as Assault, Hacker, Engineer or Medic. Each class has customized weapons and abilities. In the mission we're currently working on, the goal is to power an atomic reactor on an abandoned space station. To start the reactor, the team needs to bring a reactor core to the power plant. It sounds like a simple mission, but who knows what lurks in the dark corridors. I can hint that if you find a minigun during the mission, just pick it up. It might come in handy later. All our missions are procedurally generated, meaning if you choose to play the same mission again, the level will look completely different the next time. We're developing the entire game based on a co-op first concept, meaning it will be fun and entertaining to work together on a common task. In the first half year we have focused on local co-op, and the next half we'll prioritize getting the network code to work. We are also trying to upgrade the project from Unreal 5.1 to 5.2, which hadn't been as smooth as we had anticipated. At least twice a week we run a 4-player test with the entire team, constantly fine-tuning the balance between the different classes, weapons, abilities and adjusting the difficulty level. Many of our followers compare us to classics like Alien Swarm and GTFO, and while our gameplay in many ways is different and more modern, there's no doubt that if you like classic alien shooters, you will definitely enjoy smashing monsters with your friends in DarkSwarm. All things considered, I think we come a long way. Especially considering our team had only 10 weeks to deliver. I can't wait to show you our progress in the next developer log. We are very happy with the results so far and we are really looking forward to releasing the first demos to our community. Our plan is to release the game as Steam Early Access in December 2024 and we'll definitely let you know when we are about ready. Depending on how that goes, we may consider porting it to consoles afterward, but that's a bit down the line. First thing is to fix all the bugs in the game. If you want to see more screenshots and videos, make sure to wishlist us on our Steam page, where we also post regular updates. You can find the link in the description. I might also post a devlog on this channel from time to time, but I can't promise how often that will be. Remember, we are very open to input, ideas and feedback from our community, so don't hesitate to leave comments below. You're also very welcome to follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, etc., but we will break the news first on our Steam page. I want to thank you very much for watching, and I truly hope that you enjoyed this video. See you soon, and may your ammo feet never jam.